Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back. Good evening. In the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, April the 26th, 2023, we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have also 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Shuguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them, 4 of them, I will do today. And tomorrow, the rest of the puzzles, because tomorrow it's King's Day here, and we don't receive newspaper on the King's Day. So let me start with the first one, the Sudoku with 3 stars. All right. 3 stars puzzle number 6340. Yeah, 6340. This will be 6340. Before I start, whoa, this pencil, come on. 6340. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. Yeah. But for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 4 ones. Alright, 4 ones. We have here 2 twos. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 threes. Alright, 4 threes. We have here 3, 4 fours. Wow. 2 fives, 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 2 eights, and 2 nines. So the ones, the threes, and the fours are a majority. Can I start with one of those numbers? That's the question. Well, the one will be difficult. Yeah. How about the threes? Threes. Well, will be difficult. 2, 3, 3. How about the fours then? 4, 4. Okay. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, okay. 4, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in the third column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see here 4 in the first row, no 4 there. Here 4 in the third row, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. 4, 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. But the 3. Well, we have a pair. 3 and a 4 in this row. Last row. 3 and a 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 9 goes there. Alright. 2, 2. 9, 9, 9. Need a 9 here. Alright. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for 6 should be there. Alright. Need a 7 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9. And look, this box can be a 9 because we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. This box can be a 7, we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. So the 9 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 9 and 7, 9 and 7. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 7 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square. For number 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. And look, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. So the 5 and 8 are left. Let me mark those. Yeah. 5, 8, and the 7. 3 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. And look, we have 5 and 8 in the middle row. No 5 and 8 in this box. 5 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So 1 is left in this column. Should be the 7 then. Alright. 5 and 8. Let me think. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the first column, so no 2 in these two boxes. Here, 2 in this row, no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those two boxes. In this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. And look, we have 3 and a 9 in this big square, so no 3 and a 9 in this box. 3 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there, so 1 is left in the middle row for number 6. Alright. 9, 9. And 3 also. 1, 1. 6, 6, yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. So 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those. So here we have a pair. That means the other 2 numbers in this column are numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay, 9 and 2. Let me think. 4, do we have all the 4s? No. Yeah. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 7, and 8. Okay. Alright. Let me think. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. This was the 6 in this column, yeah, 6 in that column, okay. Do we have all the 6s? Yeah, and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Right, 2, 2, 2, 8, 8, 8, 8, and 7. No, 2, 8, 7. 5 and the 8, 5, 8, and the 7. Yeah. 7 should be here. Thinking. 7, 2. Oh, wait. And now. Yeah. Thinking. Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next to the last column. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and 4, 1 and 8. So the other pair in this big square, the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Okay. All right. Yeah. Let me put a coat on. It's getting colder. All right, let me continue. Short break. I need pairs. Here. Do I have all the 4s now? 4. Yeah. Need an 8 here. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 should be in one of these 3 boxes in this big square. So we have 8 in the last column. 8 in one of these 3 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 1. Then 3, 4, and 1 is missing here. Yeah. One of the missing number in this column is number 1. Here can be 1 because we have 1 in this row, so no 1 there. So the 1 in this column could be here or there. We see another 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. Okay. It's a pair. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. Here 1 in the second column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 1. All right. Now. 5, 8, and 7 is missing. 7, 7. No 8 here. 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in the second column, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. That means we have 8 in one of those two boxes in this row. This box can be 8 in a more. This box should be a 5 then. And that box in this big square should be an 8 then. 5 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. One box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing 8, 8, 8. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5. 7 and 5. 8, 8. Yeah. Alright. 7 and 5 are missing. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 5, 7 and the 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 3 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8. And look, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 could be here or there. So here we have 2 missing numbers, the 7 and 8. Here the 2 and the 7. Well, need to wait. 3, 4, and the 9 should be here. Yeah. 2, 9, and 3 is missing. Well, here can be 3 because we have 3 and a 9 here. So 3 and a 9 goes in those two boxes. So what is left in the last column should be the 2 then. 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 2. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 1 box left in this big square for number, I believe, 9. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 2 numbers left in the second row. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the third row. 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 in this row, third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the first row, the 7 and the 5. 7 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7 then. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 7 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. I finish in 19 minutes. Wow, 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. Because I'm faster than 20 minutes. And we solve it again, And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.